Photos that prove nature can be totally freaking terrifying. Life on Earth is so vast and diverse that there are doubtless countless species and animals out there that we've yet to discover. If these horrific acts of nature are anything to go by, though, you may be glad we don't know everything about life. After all, some things are best left undiscovered. At least they are if you ever want to sleep again. The climate can easily be your worst nightmare, as this poor fox proves. After drowning in the icy water, it was recovered and left as a warning to others who may try to dash across the frozen plains. Indeed, it's a terrifying reminder that Mother Nature totally wields the true power on Earth. Is this the ashen remnant of a volcanic lava flow or an insane burial site with dozens of dead bodies? Thankfully, it's factually the former, but there's no denying just how horrific the image of the latter is. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. This is literally the stuff of nightmares. A hornet's nest in an abandoned shed has fused with the head of an old wooden statue, a combination that definitely won't keep us awake at night for the rest of time. No, this isn't a new promo for a horror movie. Instead, it's a real-life nightmarish scene as a colony of wasps has built a nest around this long-forgotten child's doll. We're just glad it's in a photo on a screen where it can't harm us. This startlingly strange plant isn't called the devil's fingers for nothing. Indeed, even the way it hatches like a weird alien egg should give you pause. Its full scientific name is Clathrus archeri, but somehow that doesn't make us any more comfortable with it.